dire,
It means to say. In this video, we will learn how to say the verb to say in the past tense and its conjugation with the subject pronouns. Hello and welcome back to your own French learning channel, Learn French with Di.Vi. To conjugate the verb in past tense, we should have the auxiliary verb and past participle of this verb. For conjugating this verb in past tense, we use the auxiliary verb
avoir,
and the past participle of the main verb, which is
dit,
Now, we have the auxiliary verb and the past participle. Let's see how we combine this to conjugate the verb in past tense. I said,
j'ai dit,
you said, in formal way.
tu as dit,
He said, masculine.
il a dit,
She said, feminine.
elle a dit,
We said, in formal way.
on a dit,
We said, formal way.
nous avons dit,
You said, formal way.
vous avez dit,
They said, group of males or mixed people.
ils ont dit,
They said, group of only females.
elles ont dit.
Now that we've conjugated the verb in the past tense, let's explore some examples. I said the truth.
J'ai dit la vérité. J'ai dit la vérité.
You said you were hungry.
Tu as dit que tu avais faim. Tu as dit que tu avais faim.
He said that he would come.
Il a dit qu'il viendrait. Il a dit qu'il viendrait.
She said goodbye.
Elle a dit au revoir. Elle a dit au revoir.
We said it was a good idea.
On a dit que c'était une bonne idée. On a dit que c'était une bonne idée.
We said we liked the movie.
Nous avons dit que nous avions aimé le film. Nous avons dit que nous avions aimé le film.
You said you were busy.
Vous avez dit que vous étiez occupé. Vous avez dit que vous étiez occupé.
They said they were tired.
Ils ont dit qu'ils étaient fatigués. Ils ont dit qu'ils étaient fatigués.
They said they were happy.
Elles ont dit qu'elles étaient contentes. Elles ont dit qu'elles étaient contentes.
Let's repeat the conjugation one more time.
J'ai dit. Tu as dit. Il a dit. Elle a dit. On a dit. Nous avons dit. Vous avez dit. Ils ont dit. Elles ont dit.
For your reference, I have summarized the conjugation in a tabular format. We will learn some more verbs in coming videos. Till then, please keep practicing. Goodbye for now, and see you in next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching the video. If you enjoyed it, please don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to our channel for more such training videos and share this video with your friends and family.